1952 nirio jamba cia mau cerikire mutito kuhuranira wiyathi uria twegwateire mwaka-ini wa 1963 mweri-ini wa 12 tariki 12 na riri tugikirie kuingia miaka 60 ya wiyathi. Mutongoria wa ngwataniro ya azimio la umoja wa Kenya coalition Raila Odinga umuthi nioete kamweke na gutariria maria bururi ihotete kuhingia undu umwe na maria macungiriirie Kenya gucoka na thutha.
People were expectant, but over the years, the joy of independence has been tempered by many battles, a struggle that has continued for 6 decades. We have fought poverty, we have fought ignorance, we have fought disease, we have fought corruption, and we have fought tribalism.
Rugurwa mbari ya nyakero yahitukirio magigi kuona ona migunda yegwatagirwo no muthungu ari o wiki uturia wareganirwo naguo na kuri mwaka-ini wa 1922 mundu wetagwo hari thuku akiambika mirurungano tauni-ini ya Nairobi uturia watunganirwo naguo ni arurungani kuhurwo rithathi na kuragwo nake thuku agitwarwo njera gwa kahinda gatanyihire miaka 10
of colonialism, elite corruption, and ethnicization of national life. Colors and cruel leaders took away lives and broke apart families through detention camps.
Ungumania kuringana na Raila Odinga nigwo wacungiririe bururi uyu kuremwo gwikuria na njira nene undu umwe na gutherema kuona kuri miaka-ini ya 1980 bururi uyu ni watungirwo ni moritu ma kwambatira kwa mathogora ma muturire undu uria wacungiriirio ni utongoria moru undu umwe na bengi ya thi yothe undu umwe na honge cia kuheana ngombo cia IMF igikirira Kenya mikana yari miritu.
But we still live large. We drove ourselves into the trap of the IMF and the World Bank and their unusual conditionalities that are driving us back to the 1980s and 90s.
Ona thutha wa miaka 60 Raila arauga bururi uyu no ugumeirwo ni ungumania na uria ucoketie bururi uyu miaka ya kugirika kuona kwa riu Akenya ni mathiete na mbere na kuhetukira mahinda maritu kuhetukira kwambatira kwa mathogora ma indo undu umwe na nyongerera ya magoti na njira itari ya kiwatho.
You are way off the original dream. The nation is reeling under the heavy burden of corruption, officially sanctioned tribalism, heavy burden of taxation, and a harsh and heartless leadership.
Raila riririkanagwo ni kwigwatirwo kwa wiyathi wa ciama nyingi undu umwe na kurwira gatiba keru ka mwaka wa 2010.
This 60th anniversary is therefore a good time to reflect on our past. It is also a time to look to the future.
Andu-ini ha Muthingi TV, Rakoni Maina, Ramsure.